Welcome to Stair Plan. I'm just showing you how to measure the angle when you're ordering your glass through the online glass planner. So this is the rake that we're going to measure, and the angle we want is the angle from the level to the pitch. We don't want the angle to the newel. We will calculate that. This angle from the level to the rake going up. There's a great little online app for your phone. It's called Measure. So you can find it on the App Store on the iPhones. So if you load Measure, and if you go to the area where it says level, if you just hold the phone level and it's 0, you know that you're in the right area. So if we angle it up towards the stairs, we can watch the numbers going up. So we know we're measuring the right angle. And we put the phone on top of the stair string, and this shows 40 degrees. Sorry, 41 degrees now. And that's the angle we're going to enter into the glass planner.